Automatic window patching machines are special equipment for curtain box, color box window lamination. They are the most advanced models in the domestic market. Perfect personalization design philosophy ensures that the machines have the features of high efficiency, high precision, high stability, and easy operation. These machines are available for both cardboard and corrugated cardboard. They adopt a non-stop bottom feeder with side lay registration, the single separation paper pile through positioning by the push lay, flexible version module of glue print, staple and decorate diagram incision, and cross-cutting cropped. To achieve tissue boxes, gift boxes, toy boxes, shirt boxes, milk cartons, and other window film lamination. Feeder. The feeder is intermittent transportation agency. Adopt imported NITTA belt and imported pneumatic components. Deliver the paper with high speed, stable, and reliable. Patent number 2014-20323-999.9. Push lay. Adopt imported RENO LDL chain. Deliver the paper with back type. Push lay. Ensure deliver the minimum paper stably. The length is 100 millimeters. Patent number 2014-2032-4031.8. Rubber roller. Single rubber roller cooperate with the baffle to gluing. Avoid the waste of glue. Reduce component volatilization. Rotation telescopic rubber roller. Perfect personalization design philosophy. With the machine stopped, the rubber roller can rotation driven by the motor. Avoid the glue solidify on the face of rubber roller. When cleaning the rubber roller, this part can pull out entirely. Make the cleaning time shorten. When the machine is working, avoid the glue splashing. Patent number 2014-20325-754.X. Gluing. Use automatic gluing instead of hand movement. When a photoelectric sensor reacted the paper, use the air cylinder to control rubber roller to uplift. When the machine is working, maybe will happen the situation of paper broken, and then the rubber roller will uplift automatically. Avoid the glue smear on the belt. Suction belt. The suction belt is wide and thick, increase of service life. With the device of adjust the wind power, adjust wind power according to the sizes of papers. Ensure that no position offset. Patent number 2014-20325-752. Film transport. Film transport is controlled by the servo motor with high precision. The area of cutting the film is less than 0.5 millimeters. Adopt the touch screen to adjust the length of the film instead of the rotary knob. Make the adjustment manner more convenient and efficient. The shortest of film to 40 millimeters. Roller cross knife. Quality alloy steel was adopted. Special heat treatment process manufacturing to ensure long working hours. It instead of the old formula shares cut, use servo motor, adjust the length of the film so that it runs more accurate, stable, and reliable. Reverse function. Gain the reverse function when installing or fix the point downtime. Make the operation more easily. Relative to STC 1080-1450 series automatic window patching machine, the greatest characteristic of STC 1080Z is strengthening the function of die-cutting indentation, realize right-angled sticker, meet the needs of the broad masses of customers. This is a huge innovation after hard working of Dingyu machinery. Feed, precision, positioning, glue, film length cutting, angle and pressure on both sides, indentation, especially for right angle sticker, all adopt the automatic control to meet customers' high requirements. Creasing and cutting on both sides, the Ministry of Indentation adopt independent heat wheel. Independent oil heating system make the film more flat. High precision servo motor make the film more smooth. Independent micro tensioning system make the operation more easily. BTC1200 semi-automatic window patching machine is a special equipment for curtain box, color box window lamination. The machine is composed of the head of the machine and a conveyor. After the gluing of the products, they were sent by conveyor to manual film station to achieve the semi-automatic film lamination.